Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Hey Siri not working on iPhone after iOS 18.2 update. Since updating my phone to iOS 18.2, I've run into an unexpected issue with Siri. It simply won't respond to voice commands anymore. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix this issue. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In the first step, I'll tell you how to ensure that your phone is running the latest version of iOS 18. To check for updates, go to Settings, go to General, go to Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install, and you are done. After updating, try using Hey Siri to see if it's now responsive. In the next step, I'll tell you how to check if voice command Siri or Hey Siri is enabled. Before trying other steps, make sure Hey Siri is enabled on your iPhone. Sometimes settings can change with updates, and re-enabling Hey Siri can refresh its functionality. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Siri, tap on Talk to Siri, and ensure that Hey Siri is selected. If it's already selected, turn it off by selecting Off, and then turn it back on by selecting Siri or Hey Siri again, and you are done. If the issue continues, try this additional steps. Go back to Settings, go back to Siri, tap on Talk to Siri, switch the option from Siri or Hey Siri to just Hey Siri, and you are done. After these steps, try saying Hey Siri again to see if it's now responsive. So in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to restart iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve unexpected issues with your iPhone. For this, press and quickly release the volume down button and the power button until the slide to power off button shows. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Once the device is completely off, wait about 30 seconds. Press and hold the side button again and restart your iPhone. After your iPhone restarts, try saying Hey Siri to see if it's now working as expected. Now for the next step, I'm going to tell you how to set Siri to prefer spoken responses. Changing Siri's response settings can sometimes help resolve voice activation issues. For this, go to Settings, scroll down, go to Siri, tap on Siri responses, tap on Prefer Spoken Responses. After making this change, try using Hey Siri to see if it's now responsive, and you're done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to enable content and privacy restrictions temporarily. Sometimes toggling content and privacy restrictions in screen time can help reset Siri's functionality. To enable and then disable content and privacy restrictions, go to Settings, go to Screen Time, scroll down, go to Content and Privacy Restrictions, toggle off content and privacy restrictions, and you are done. Once your phone restarts, test Siri and Hey Siri commands to see if they now work as expected. You may then go back to the screen time and turn content and privacy restrictions on. I hope this video will help you to fix your issue of Siri not working on iPhone after iOS 18.2 update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.